Today, we're going to learn how to assemble your table. First, you'll want to get all of your tools together before you get started. You'll need a Phillips or Robertson screwdriver, depending on your screws, and 12 1 1/4 inch screws. Next, make sure you have all the pieces of your table ready. This includes 4 legs, 2 leg crossers, 2 leg stretchers, the support frame, and the tabletop. If you're opening your wrapped pieces with a blade, be sure to cut away from your body for safety. Once you have everything handy, you're ready to begin. Step 1. Insert 1 leg crosser into one of the legs and screw together. Then repeat this on the other side with a second leg. After you've created the H-shaped build, repeat the entire process for the other leg pieces. Step 2. Next, attach the leg stretchers to one of your 2 H assemblies. Once those are attached, slide in the support frame using the grooves of the leg stretchers and tighten in place using the screws. Step 3. Fasten the second leg H assembly to the other side now, surrounding the support piece and completing our base. Then simply screw the tops of the legs into the bottom of the tabletop. Flip it over, and off you go.